on the Autobahn, this is working just fine with the stock screen. The wind is hitting me right here. All my full arms feel it, and just the tips of my shoulders, about right here, right where the backpack comes down. But I'm surprised. It is a little noisy. I would probably put an MRA spoiler on the top of this to kick it over a little bit more. And for this being a non-adjustable screen, it's acceptable. I would like at least a 2-position adjustability, so that, you know, in the hot summer days, or to take it off-road or in town, you can really lower it, but it's acceptable. Honda hit the middle ground here and nailed it with this stock standard screen. If you guys were wondering, should you get the taller screen or this one, I would start out with this, and then, because right now I'm not feeling a need to change it on the highway. Interesting.